This dream lifestyle costs less than $10,000. Sounds impossible, right? But today, you're about to see how this dream home on wheels is changing everything at 18 first glance. It might look like a simple compact trailer, but the moment you step inside, everything changes. Every inch of space is carefully designed. Every corner has a purpose, and suddenly you realize, this isn't small, it's smart. The warm wooden interior instantly gives you that cozy, peaceful feeling, like a cabin hidden deep in nature. And yet, it's fully mobile. Right at the entrance, you're welcomed by a multifunctional living space. During the day, it's a comfortable seating area where you can relax, work, or even enjoy your own coffee. But at night, it transforms into a cozy bed. This is where the magic of space-saving design really shines. Nothing is wasted, everything adapts to your needs. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because yes, this tiny home actually has one. A compact but fully functional setup with a stove, a small sink, and enough counter space to prepare your favorite meals. Imagine cooking dinner while parked beside a lake, or making breakfast with a mountain view right outside your window. This isn't just a home, it's an experience, and just when you think it can't get better, there's storage, hidden everywhere. Under the seats, above your head, tucked into clever compartments you wouldn't even notice at first. This is how they make a small space feel big. You don't need a massive house when everything you own has a perfect place. But here's where things get really interesting. This home isn't just about comfort, it's about freedom. No rent, no heavy bills, no being stuck in one place. You can literally take your entire life with you. One day you're parked near a beach, the next you're surrounded by forests, and all of it for less than the cost of a new home. Think about that for a second. In a world where housing prices keep rising, where people are working just to pay rent, this tiny home offers a completely different lifestyle. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly free. And honestly, that's why so many people are starting to choose this way of living. But of course, it's not just about saving money. It's about changing how you live. When your space is limited, you naturally focus on what truly matters. You keep what you love, you let go of what you don't need, and life becomes lighter. Less clutter, less stress, more clarity. Now imagine this. It's evening, you're sitting just outside your tiny home, maybe on a foldable chair, watching the sunset. No noise, no rush, no pressure. Just you, your space, and complete peace. That's something money usually can't buy. But somehow, this home makes it possible. The best part? You don't need to be rich, you don't need a huge investment, and you definitely don't need to follow the traditional path. This kind of home proves that you can live comfortably, beautifully, and freely, without spending a fortune. But here's the real question. Would you actually do it? Could you trade a big house for a smaller one? Could you give up space for freedom? Because for many people, this isn't just a trend anymore. It's becoming a movement. Some are turning these into full-time homes. Others use them for travel, weekend escapes, or even as a way to start fresh. And every single one of them has the same realization. Once you experience this lifestyle, it's hard to go back. And let's be honest, there's something incredibly exciting about owning a home that moves with you. It feels futuristic, but at the same time, deeply connected to nature and simplicity. It's like combining modern design with the oldest human dream. Freedom.s, or whether you're looking to escape highway, explore the world, or just simply